Okay, tell me what this event
It's
is.
the second annual cardboard cutout camp out, and it's for homelessness awareness, and it's taking place here in Carrier Mills. 4 different churches are represented here. The United Methodist Church of Carrier Mills, Stoneport General Baptist, the Social Brethren of Carrier Mills, and the First Baptist of Carrier Mills. All the proceeds that the children raised through sponsorships tonight go to the 4 C's Compassion Center in Harrisburg.
Good, okay. Now, who do we have here? What's your name?
Allie?
Allie? And you're going to sleep tonight in a cardboard box?
Yep.
Whoa. Okay. You going to get hungry, cold? What do you think?
I don't know. I guess cold.
Okay. Did you do this last year, Allie?
Nope.
No? First night? Okay.
First year our church has participated.
Oh, really? What's your church?
Stoneport General Baptist Church.
Okay. Here in Carrier Mills?
In Stoneport.
Okay. How about what's your name?
Zeb.
Zeb? You ready to sleep in a cardboard box tonight, Zeb?
Yep.
Really? Atta boy. Your name?
Micah.
Micah?
Yeah.
Okay. You scared?
No.
Nope. Gonna get cold?
Yeah.
All right. And your name?
Cody.
What's your name?
Cody.
Cody? Okay. Cody, and your name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl? Okay. What are you all looking forward to tonight?
I don't know.
Huh?
We're looking for living the experience of a homeless person.
Okay. Good for you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.